How to find gaming on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find gaming option on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First, and go to your Facebook app, click on it. Now click on those three lines up there, and here you have those options, and all you need to do, you can click on the setting icon and search for games, and you're gonna find it here. If you didn't find this option, or if you didn't find games, all you need to do is click on gaming, and here you're gonna find it, this one, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Just click on play option and they're gonna show you games and you can play. It's so easy and quick. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.